Let's solve equations with fractions. Equation number 3. 1/2 x minus 3 equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. Step 1. Find a common denominator. Let's take a look at our equation and let's find the denominators already in the equation. There's a 2 and a 3. We have two denominators in our equation. Whenever we have more than one denominator, then the common denominator can be found by multiplying these numbers together. Since 2 times 3 equals 6, our common denominator is 6. How did we find the common denominator? The common denominator is 6 because we need to multiply the two denominators to find a common denominator. Step 2. Clear the fraction by multiplying the common denominator, which is 6, to both sides. So we're going to draw parentheses around the entire left side and multiply both these terms times 6, and same thing on the right side, parenthesis around the entire expression and multiply times 6. We are now going to do the distribution of 6 on the left side. 6 times 1/2 x is equal to 3x. 6 times negative 3 is equal to negative 18. And that is equal to 6 times negative 2/3. We cross-reduce the 6 and the 3, leaving us with 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. Negative 4x, positive 6 times positive 4 is positive 24. Multiplying by the common denominator of 6 has given us an equation with no fractions. We have cleared the fractions. How did we clear the fractions? We cleared the fractions by multiplying the common denominator value to the entire expression on the left side and the entire expression on the right side of our equation. Step 3. Solve the equation. Here we are now solving an equation that has a variable on both sides. So our first step would be to get the variable term onto one side by using the additive inverse. We are going to add 4x to both sides of our equation, giving us 7x minus 18 is equal to positive 24. We are now going to add 18 to both sides of the equation to isolate our variable term. 7x is equal to 24 plus 18, which is 42. To finish solving our equation, we're going to use a multiplicative inverse of dividing 7 to both sides to get the variable x all alone on the left side. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. So x equals 6. And we can check our answer using Desmos.com. Here we have the expression from the left side of our equation and the expression for the right side of our equation. And we know that the value of x, where these two graphs cross, is also the solution to the equation of these two expressions equal to each other. If we take a look at where these two lines cross, they are clearly crossing at this ordered pair of x equals 6, y equals 0. So that means that x equals 6 is a solution to these two expressions as an equation, and that is the same result we found by using our method of clearing the fraction. You're now ready to solve equation number 4, clearing the fractions from the equation, and there will be a Desmos button to click on at the end of it so you can verify your answer.